Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw a Song. Today we're drawing something fun from a song. In this video, it's all about music and creativity. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and singing, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Uh-oh, troubles all around. Draw the rule, color calm, it's super cool. Draw the choice color the way Baby Bluey learns today. Baby Bluey grabs the phone, tippy-tap, now it's gone. Mama says with gentle tone, Bluey, no, that's not a toy. Draw the scene, color moments in between. Draw the oops, color the play. Learning happens every day. Baby Bluey climbs up high on the couch, oh my. Bandit laughs but shakes his head. Feet on floor, not on the edge. Draw the rule, color calm, it's super cool. Draw the choice, color the way Baby Bluey learns today. Cookie jar goes clink, clack, clink. Baby Bluey starts to think. 1 cookie, 2, maybe 3. Chilly smiles, let's ask Sweetie. Bluey stops and gives a nod. Waiting feels a little odd, but guess what happens? Yes, snack time joy is happiness. Stop and think. Take it slow. Draw good choices. Watch them grow. Pink goes flat on Daddy's shoe. Bluey gasps, oh no, achoo. Bluey frowns, then takes a breath, saying sorry is the best. Bandit hugs her big and tight. Mistakes help us learn what's right. Draw the care. Color kindness everywhere. Draw the heart, color the way Baby Bluey grows today. Baby Bluey cleans up fast. Blocks and boxes, task is past. Clap, what a sight. Learning feels so warm and right. Draw, hooray. Color choices every day.
Wow, you did amazing! Today we drew a song moment and had fun mixing art and music. If you love music and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. See you soon, friends! Bye!